Today, we've been asked to cover the important points of Hydromassage Bathtub receptacles, and we're going to use NFPA LiNK to do it. It's an easy to use digital access to NFPA codes and standards. Let's get started. A common portal question we get at NFPA is, can I locate the receptacle for my whirlpool tub, or as the code calls it, a Hydromassage bathtub, under the tub? Well, we're going to take a look at the 2023 NEC. So you would go to link.nfpa.org/link and you would click on the 2023. We're going to actually go to Chapter 4 in Article 406 for receptacles. And we're actually going to Section 406.9 because that deals with receptacles in damp or wet location. Now the question really comes down to the new code requirement in the 2023 of bathtub and shower space. And receptacles are not allowed to be in or within a zone within 3 feet of that Hydromassage bathtub or whirlpool tub. You'll want to look at the code sections there to make sure that you have that. You'll notice right away that the exception 1, receptacles installed in accordance with 680.73. And so if we bring that up, and you can click on that and it'll open it right up, and it says Hydromassage bathtub electrical equipment has to be accessible without damaging the building structure or finish if it's cord and plug connected, and the receptacle is by that access opening in direct view and not more than 1 foot from that opening. This is all dependent upon what type of receptacle. If you're just putting a standard receptacle, then you don't have other things that you need to worry about. I'm going to populate a picture in here because I believe that will really help. We're going to go to our NFPA DiRECT. You click this little pin here. We're going to go to equipment. We'll scroll down. This is a great feature of NFPA LiNK, and we're going to go to Hydromassage bathtubs. And you'll see that we actually have a situation built around this. And here's a beautiful picture, and you'll see our Hydromassage bathtub. These receptacles that are over here need to be more than 3 feet from the edge, which we can tell they are. The receptacle for this has to be accessible. So if you have something like this, you may have to work at placing that in a better area. So you'll want to prior plan all of this in placement before the actual finished product. You want to have all this done at the rough end stage. We're going to jump over here to Article 680, and we're going to see that it requires GFCI protection for that in 680.71. You also need to recall 210.8. And another one that you'll need to recall is actually how to support and secure the boxes. They just can't be thrown underneath the tub. They're secured, they have to be properly secured in accordance with Article 314. We hope that answered a lot of your questions about Hydromassage bathtub receptacles. Be sure to visit nfpa.org/link and give LiNK a try if you haven't already done so. As you just saw, LiNK is truly a window to productivity.